For truckers, owner-operators, they say if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? If I got a small diff leak or transmission leak, fluid leak, it's not really that big of a deal.
Yeah, we see that quite a bit. But the biggest thing of it is, say this guy didn't bring this truck in with this differential leak. I mean, they could. I suppose they wanted to, as long as they checked it and refilled the oil every day, they can keep going. But I tell you what, you can already see how messy it is. The DOT is going to see that. They're going to get on you. They're going to put you out of service for an oil leak. Yeah, you could keep it full every day, but oil's expensive. And if you don't keep it full, then you're going to start running bearings with no oil and gears with no oil. You could have one of the two things happen. You could have bearings on the outside go off, bearings go out, the hubs come off, you run the axle. You could have a differential go bad, which is probably going to happen pretty quick because they're putting power through getting hot. And this $500 fix can turn into a $5,000 fix or more, if depending on if you ruin the axle and you have to put a whole new housing in or have a stub welded on, if you got to put a new differential in it. And it can be worse if something goes bad and you blow a hole through the case. You could have to buy everything new, not be able to just get a rebuilt or put it in there. You may have to buy everything new. So yeah, a simple little oil leak can turn into a pretty big deal. So it's really important to, if you see an oil leak, get something done with it. I get that sometimes guys have to run a little bit before they can get a chance to get them fixed. So yeah, this is the biggest thing of make sure they're full and then get with somebody to get them in and get it taken care of before it becomes a really expensive deal. You guys can get a hold of us, Facebook, TikTok. Easiest way is call the shop, 641-673-5007. Get with our gals up front. They'll get with you where you need to go, whether you need parts, whether you need service, and we'll get you scheduled in and we can get something done.